Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is plantain and mackerel meal that will blow your mind. Have you eaten any meal that make you ask for more? Here on the countertop is that beautiful and delicious meal that will make you ask for more. And here you are seeing is the end result. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious result, then come with me and let's prepare it together. The ingredient we have for this meal is half-ripe plantain. Please note, if you are a diabetic patient, don't use the half-ripe or ripe plantain. Use only the unripe plantain, but make sure you cook it until it is very soft or tender. Alright? The next is mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice, but mind you, it is always very good to use mackerel fish in this kind of meal. This is pepper mix, which is a combination of real bell pepper, tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. In here, I got seasoning cubes, salt to taste, dry thyme, fish seasoning, curry powder, dry rosemary, fresh curry, onion to steam the fish, and vegetable oil. First thing first, let's prep our plantain. Just bear in mind that this plantain has been washed before now, and you can cut it any size of your choice. You can as well decide to cut and cook it with the peels. There's no problem about that, but for me, I will peel it before cooking it. Alright? Yes, I'm done peeling the plantain. As you can see, next is to add it to the pot and add water to the same level with the plantain. You know this is half-ripe plantain. It won't waste time at all to cook, alright? Then after which I will add a pinch of salt, cover, and take it to the heat directly. And what we are trying to boil the plantain separately. Boil the plantain until it is soft. Let's prep the mackerel fish. The mackerel fish has been washed already. Next is to place it inside the pan and then add diced onion, curry powder, dry thyme, fish seasoning, seasoning powder, salt to taste. Please be careful with salt, and a little water. Cover and allow to simmer. Now let's check on the fish. As you can see, the fish is very much ready to go. Remove from the heat, allow it to cool down, debone and flex it, but I will be doing that off the camera to save time. Alright, the plantain is as good as ready as well. I will remove it from the heat and then drain out the water, but that will be off the camera. Next is the cooking exercise. Preheat a little vegetable oil, add dry thyme, curry powder, and dry rosemary. The reason why I am adding all these spices first is for them to infuse their lovely taste of flavor directly to the vegetable oil. After that, I will add the pepper mix and then stir very well to combine. This pepper mix is the combination of bell pepper, tomato, onion, fresh ginger and garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper blended together. We will allow it to fry for at least 15 minutes, but in between the 15 minutes I will be stirring it off the camera to avoid burnt. Alright, this is 15 minutes later, Virtuous family. As you can see, the color of the sauce have changed. Now I've added seasoning cube and some salt to taste, and after which I will stir to combine very well. Please be very careful with salt. Alright, once the sauce is well stirred, next is to add the fish broth. Alright, just to loosen up the sauce a bit. Okay, after which I will check and balance the taste, and absolutely the taste is very perfect. Yes, once the taste is well balanced, add the flaked deboned mackerel fish, alright, and stir very well to combine. To enjoy this meal to the fullest, you need enough sauce to mix with the plantain. That is what we are trying to build a base for the plantain. Yeah, do you know about this meal, or have you heard about this meal before? Whether yes or no, drop it at the comment section. Let's interact. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please do subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment as you give this video a huge thumbs up. Alright, yes, once the mackerel and sauce is well combined, next is to add the boiled plantain, okay, to the fish sauce and stir very well to combine. This is absolutely beautiful. If you try your mackerel and plantain like this, you will never like to eat your mackerel and plantain recipe any other way. This recipe tasted so delicious, and it saves time and is very easy to put together. This is one meal that should be on every busy mom menu because it is very easy to put together. Not only that, it is also delicious and healthy as well. As you can see, everything is well combined. Next is to add our fresh curry leaf. That is what we call it in Nigeria, though I don't know what it is called in other places. To be frank with you, the taste of this fresh curry leaf took the sauce taste to another different level. Who can relate with the taste of fresh curry leaf here, please do drop it at the comment section. And this junction, Virtuous family, our plantain and mackerel meal is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, here we present to you the result of the mackerel and plantain meal. Can you see how beautiful that looks? This meal tasted so delicious and is so healthy as well. Try this recipe and tag us for your feedback on all our social media handles. Hope you enjoyed today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing it at your doorstep. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give the video a huge thumbs up again, and subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's recipe from me and all my crew. Thanks so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye.